If you're looking for a delicious and healthy dessert, then you've come to the right place. Ingredients: 2 ripe avocados, 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 cup creamy peanut butter, 1/2 cup almond milk, 1/3 cup maple syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Step 1. Cut the avocados in half, remove the pit and scoop out the flesh into a blender or food processor. Step 2. Add the cocoa powder, peanut butter, almond milk, maple syrup, vanilla extract, and salt to the blender. Step 3. Blend all the ingredients together until they are smooth and creamy. Step 4. Once the mixture is well combined, transfer it to a bowl. Step 5. Chill the mixture in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Step 6. After 30 minutes, take the mixture out of the fridge and give it a good stir. Step 7. Spoon the pudding into individual serving cups and add toppings of your choice. Step 8. Enjoy your delicious and healthy chocolate, peanut butter and avocado pudding. Give it a try and let us know how it turns out. Thanks for watching.